Good morning, everyone. I am Mrs. Sheetal Kandari. I am your chemistry teacher. Now, first of all, syllabus of chemistry. Now, in 11th class, you have 14 chapter in your syllabus. Okay, now 14 chapter. Your first chapter is some basic concepts of chemistry. Second is the structure of atom. Third is classification of elements and periodicity in properties. In short, you can say it's a periodic table. Then fourth is chemical bonding and molecular structure. Fifth is the states of matter. Okay, in this we have to study only two states. It's a gases and liquids. Sixth one is chemical thermodynamics, or you can say chemical energetics. Both the things are same. Now seventh is equilibrium. Now eighth is redox reaction. Ninth is hydrogen. 10th is S block elements. 11th is some P block elements. Okay, 12th is organic chemistry, some basic principles and technique, and generally we can say it's some basic concepts of organic chemistry. Now next is 13th chapter, it's a hydrocarbons, and last chapter is it's a environmental chemistry, or you can say environmental pollution. Okay, both. Now these 14 chapters you have in your syllabus. Okay. Now regarding to your half yearly syllabus, that I'll tell you later on. Okay, so first of all we'll start with first chapter. That one is some basic concept of chemistry. Okay, now in this one, first of all, before I'll start with first chapter, now you know that your chemistry, this one is that subject, it's a chemistry, now broadly classified into three. Now broadly classified into three parts. Okay, one is it's a organic chemistry, one is organic chemistry, okay, one is inorganic chemistry, and third one is it's a physical chemistry. Okay, now in case of organic chemistry you all are familiar with organic chemistry. Okay, in which organic chemistry in which we'll study about carbon compounds and their derivatives. That one is organic chemistry. Inorganic chemistry in which we'll study about other compounds except carbon. Okay, although we'll study carbonates, bicarbonate in inorganic chemistry, okay, carbon monoxide and dioxide, but not other compounds. The rest of the compounds we'll study, elements or compounds we'll study in inorganic chemistry. Now third one is physical chemistry. It's a physical related to physics, means numerical portion. Okay, that we have to complete in either it's electricity and all related, that we have to do in physical chemistry. Okay, this one is general. Okay, so we'll start with first chapter. That one is the first chapter is some basic concepts of chemistry. Acha, as name is given, that one is some basic concepts of chemistry. It means that most of the topic you are familiar with the topic, but several topic we have, that one is new also. Okay, so many topics we have new, but the starting is general. Okay, in this chapter we'll study about general applications of chemistry, then matter, their classification. Okay, that another one is that molarity, mole fraction, empirical formula. Then we'll study in this ionic compounds, covalent compounds. So many basic things we will study, and along with some new concept. Now first of all, because chapter name is some basic concept of chemistry, now first question arises, what is chemistry? I think you know that science is broadly classified into three. Okay, that one is physics, chemistry and bio. So what is chemistry? Hota kya hai chemistry exactly? Okay, I think you know that we are studying so many things in chemistry. Either it's like properties about matter, their exchange of kya kehte hain, states of matter, and all. So many things we are studying in. So how to define it? So first of all, simple. Chemistry is the branch of science which deals with the study of composition, properties, okay, and structure of matters, and the changes which the matter undergoes under different conditions, and the laws which govern these changes. That means whatever we will study in chemistry, तो you can define chemistry in that way also. So simple, it's a branch of science which deals with the study of composition, properties, the structure of matters, and whatever is the changes occur in them. That one is simple chemistry. Now we are studying chemistry, but question arises, why we are studying chemistry? Okay, for example, हम खाना खाते हैं, ठीक है, तो वाई वी आर ईटिंग फूड, खा क्यों रहे हैं, व्हाट्स द रीज़न? ओके, रीज़न क्या है इसके पीछे? ओके, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एक्चुअली केमिस्ट्री हैव सो मेनी एप्लीकेशंस. Okay, the chemistry have so many application. Now for example, that in simple language we can say that chemistry is a start from morning. Okay, how? That one is simple, from morning. Okay, either your toothbrush, either your soap, toothpaste, so many things. Okay, so that one will start, morning is a start with soap, toothbrush, toothpaste. All these things are gift of chemistry. Okay, so many applications we have. Okay, for example, now just see application. First of all, okay, application of chemistry in agricultural field, we have fertilizers, we have pesticide, insecticide. That one is again a gift of chemistry. Now food preservatives, we have different type of food preservatives. Okay, you know food preservatives? Okay, basically those who retard the oxidative deterioration of food, means जो rancidity से बचा रहा है food को, खराब नहीं होने देता. Okay, so that one is food preservatives. Natural we have, it's a salt, oil. Okay, but chemicals also we have, either it's a BHA, butylated hydroxyanisole, butylated hydroxytoluene. So many examples that we have learned in earlier classes also. Okay, now the food preservatives in transportation means hydrocarbons, basically petroleum, either it's a okay petrol, diesel, CNG. Okay, so used in transportation also. Okay, now in warfare, yeah, warfare, for example, bombs, either it's a hydrogen bomb, nuclear bomb, all these are because of chemistry. Now another application in everyday life, I think you know chemistry in day-to-day life, same, either it's a toothpaste, soap, okay, other things also, so that one is used in day-to-day life also. And very important application in medicines, means in drug, different type of medicines we have, either it is for fever, either it is for allergies. Okay, either it's a painkiller, so we have so many class of drug. Okay, that one is used by us. Okay. And another one is that application of chemistry in computer world also. Okay, either it's a silicon chip वगैरह are used. Okay, so that one is also a application. So many applications we have. Okay, now in case of health, first of all, now just see, in case of health chemistry basically helps a lot. Okay, if you remember, okay, many years ago, either it's a 10 or 20 years ago, generally होता क्या था, कोई एक बीमारी हुई, ठीक है, पूरा का पूरा गांव कैसा हो गया, साफ. Or either you can say, just because of one disease, okay, many people died. Okay, why? Because there was no medicine at that time, no particular medicine at that time. Okay, now just see, without medicine, so obviously death will cause, or either precaution is required, okay, otherwise medicine is required, both the things. Okay, the chemistry is again medicine, drug or medicines, either you can say, that one is a gift of chemistry. For example, now just see, in case of the cisplatin and Taxol, okay, both are medicine, that one is used for the treatment of cancer therapy. Okay, and previously there was no medicine for AIDS, but now we have a medicine for AIDS. That one is AZT, it's a azidothymidine. Okay, used for helping AIDS victim. Okay, it's a acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. So this AZT is used for the treatment of AIDS. Okay, all these are applications of chemistry. Okay, thank you.